Andy part-time. Daw kang buwan, oh. Full moon. Kamaragit ko tikaw. Walay tao. Walay mga bata. Ate! Gabriel! Wow, look at this mulch. Oh my goodness. Dagan cute. Wow. Wow. You wanna walk in the field, Inday? Guys, you wanna walk there in the field?
Yeah.
What, we forgot to pick a ball?
Or I wanted to go to the tree house. Can we go in the gym?
Oh, it's too much mosquito now. It's dark. You hear the cricket? It's already up.
That's what people say.
Gabriel, you wanna walk? I think he's having fun playing the mulch in there.
Oh yeah? Hurry. Oh yeah? I'm gonna throw you.
Be careful. Gentle.
I'm gonna throw you in the mulch. Three. That. I'm gonna walk. I wanna go with the wall.
Go play, go play. Go play. You see the moon? Gabriel. Moon? No, there.
I wanna walk.
Moon. You see the moon?
Walk.
But we don't have the ball. I think he still wanna play here, Sophia. Give it to him, give it to him.
Look, this can open. Look.
Give it to him, give it to him. Ihatag ba? Give it to him. Give it to him. Stop teasing. Okay, go.
No.
Go, go.
Oh yeah, let's go. Mom, I don't see any cricket.
Yeah, but the mosquitoes out. It's dark.
Let's go this way.
Go, go, continue, Sophia.
I wanna go.
I didn't see the sunset. Mula sunset.